God bless you. In this section, we will learn about light. We all know that light will help us to see things around us. We can enjoy our nature with the help of light. We know that during daytime, it is possible to see things. How is it possible to see things during daytime? It is because of the presence of light or the natural source of light will help. Can we see objects at night? How is it possible? With the help of artificial light, we can see objects during night time. Do you know which is the natural source of light? Sun is the natural source of light. Light is a form of energy which helps us to see things around us. What is a source of light? An object which gives out light is called source of light. Example for the sources of light are sun, star, bulb, tube light, lamp, candle. All these are examples for sources of light. The sources of light are categorized into two: natural source of light and artificial source of light. Artificial source of light can also be known as man-made sources of light. We can look what is natural source of light. Example for natural source of light. The light that occur in nature itself is known as natural source of light. And then what is man-made source or artificial source of light? These sources of light are made artificially. Example for natural source of light are firefly, sun, stars, etc. are examples for natural source of light. And then example for man-made source of light or artificial source of light are bulb, lamp, candle, torch, etc. Again, these natural and man-made sources are divided into luminous object and non-luminous object. Then what is luminous object? Any object that gives its own light is called luminous object, or an object which has the ability to produce light of its own is called luminous object. Then what is non-luminous object? An object which does not give out its own light is called non-luminous object. Examples for luminous objects are sun, star, candle, firefly, etc. Then table, chair, book, pen, pencil, mirror. All these are examples for non-luminous object. Moon is a non-luminous object. Do you know why? Moon is a non-luminous object which does not have its own light. We can see the moon because it reflects sunlight into our eyes. When sunlight falls on the surface of the moon, some of this light is reflected by the moon towards the earth. And to us, it appears as if the light is being given out by the moon itself. Do you know how do we see all these things around us? Light coming from the sun falls on the object and the objects reflect this light in all directions. This reflected light enters into our eyes and make the object visible.